Surprised I didn't blow my oil cap off. I can only imagine how loud this bike is to everybody else. It's like, it's so obnoxiously loud and unnecessary, but I don't care, I love it. Alright, so gotta be to work at 4 o'clock. It says 4:06. Actually, y'all might recognize this intersection right here from OG video if you're an OG. Oh wait, can you even hear me? Y'all might recognize that intersection back there from an OG video if you're an OG of mine. The Motovlog SPEEDRUN, that might have even been Motovlog number 2, number 3, whichever one it was. It was titled SPEEDRUN, and it was going the same direction. Same direction, different job. Come on, free pump, free pump, free pump, free pump. Turn everything back to 0. OG bike things. OG bike things. 93 regular. Well, not regular, 93 super. I put that in everything. Seriously? Pump. Thank you. I don't have a whole lot of time. I have like barely 30 minutes. Come on. We're gonna put it right up to the brim almost. And hopefully my gas tank seal is good. Oh shit. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. That was 4.1. 4.1 gallons. That was a lot of gas. No receipt. What's good, bro? What's up with you? How you been, bro? I'm alright. Look, I'm gonna hit you on the gram later. You know I gotta take off.
Yeah, I know I heard your loud ass coming
What's up?
You doing that bitch yet?
I'm gonna get there. saved ourselves some time. 407 it now says, and before long it'll probably say 455. I mean 355 or whatever. Who knows? As you know, these GPSs, they're really slow to catch on. They really are. This ramp, but I hate the fact that it makes the bike hop. Like I gotta do something about those rear struts. It's kind of uncomfortable. But this isn't a sport bike, so it wasn't necessarily built to be one. Entering the highway again, and y'all are on y'all brakes for some weird reason. So obnoxious. But it just sounds so good though. And before y'all say, oh well, he's a Honda, of course he's gonna be because that's what Hondas do. Look, whatever, fuck you. I can't tell if he was telling me that there's a cop or if he was trying to, I don't know. I'm gonna take it a little easy up until I get to the gate. I can't tell if he was warning me or not, or if he was flashing that car to go ahead and turn. I think we're good. Yo, he was flying. Oh man. All right. Truck is back. Time to go to work.